Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message for everyone on Messenger chat with the updated steps. Let's walk through the process together. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Launch the app and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the chat where the message you want to delete is located. Scroll through your chats or use the search function to find the specific conversation. Step 3. Long press, tap, and hold on the particular message you wish to remove. This action will prompt a menu to appear with various options. Step 4. Select the More option from the menu that pops up after long pressing the message. This will bring up additional actions you can take regarding the message. Step 5. Tap on Remove from the list of options. This will initiate the process of deleting the message from the chat. Step 6. Lastly, tap on Unsend to confirm that you want to delete the message for everyone in the chat. Once you confirm, the message will be removed from the conversation for all participants. By following these steps, you can effectively delete a message for everyone on Messenger chat using your Android device. Remember to use this feature responsibly and ensure you are certain about deleting the message. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this updated guide has been helpful in assisting you with managing your messages on Messenger chat. Enjoy a more controlled messaging experience with these deletion options.